welcome to Kathmandu. So today we will walk around Durbar Marg main road, yeah? Now, if you come from Jamal, you have got to take the right turn, and when you see the statue, from this point Durbar Marg starts. Now the statue is of our late King Mahendra. Why this area is called Durbar Marg is because this road leads to the Royal Palace directly, which is why it is also called King's Way. But the palace has now been converted to a museum. Yeah, this is the palace, and it is open to public. So if you happen to come to Kathmandu, I highly recommend visiting the palace and see how our kings lived. It's really worth a visit, really. Now, Durbar Marg has many restaurants, banks, shopping centers, and some big hotels like Hotel Annapurna and Yakineti. Oh my god, I just realized that I don't even know how to hold the camera properly. Please bear with me, guys. I will learn, I promise. And I can't even focus myself clearly. Anyways, so it's been a few days since the lockdown has been eased. It's not completely lifted, but it has been eased. That's why we can see a lot of vehicle on the road, right? But there aren't many people on the streets, yeah? It still looks empty. The shops are open, the restaurants are open only for takeaways, if I'm not mistaken. This is Trishara, one of my favorite restaurants. I love the ambience there. They have many outlets and I've been to 3 of them. Durbar Marg, Lajimpat and the Pokhara one. I'll insert some pictures here since I'm not going there right now. These are some pictures. It's especially fun in the evenings because they have light music playing. Okay, so if you want to shop, there is winter clearance sale going on in Anta up to 80% off. So you want to buy winter clothes, you can go there right now. This is Mercantile Plaza. On the rooftop there is a restaurant here, that is Mezze by Roadhouse. Again, the ambience and food is really nice, especially the pizzas. You should try it out sometime. Now this is Hotel Annapurna, which is closed for now due to COVID-19 pandemic, and it is uncertain when will they reopen. And likewise the coffee shop is closed too. It's really sad to see so many businesses closing down because of COVID-19, yeah? And we still don't know how long this is going to be here for. Another restaurant famous for Indian cuisine is Moti Mahal. And there is Alice restaurant over there. The prices of food in these restaurants here in Durbar Marg are affordable but not cheap. Let me just tell you that. And wait. Let me just show you something, okay? Just wait. Yeah, here. Doesn't it look like I'm stalking this policeman? Right? I just realized while watching this video. So this is it for today, guys. I hope I was able to give you an idea of what Durbar Marg is like. Yeah? And the most important thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.